Hey guys, my name is TJ with American Renovation. Today I'm going to help you select the proper lumber using sight. Alright, I got 4 2x right here. Out of these 4, I'm going to help you select the best one. So what you want to do is when you're down at the lumber store, you want to pick up the lumber and you want to look for any defects. And the way you do that is by lifting it up, bringing it to eye level and looking it down the line. You want to do that for both sides. For example, for this one, it's arched out. The problem with that is when you come to finish it, whether it's plywood or drywall, what's going to happen is it's going to push out the wall. And that's a big problem. You're always going to see it when it's finished. So we know what the problem with the first one is. It's arched. Alright? So the second one, we got a twist problem. Again, what you want to do is bring it to your eye level and take a look down the sight. Can you see that how it's twisted? The problem with that is it's not going to sit properly on your framing bottom plate and your top plate. Alright, 2 down, 2 more to go. The problem with this guy is it's curved. Again, bring it to eye level, take a look, and see what's going on. You'll notice that it's going to curve either to the right or to the left. Almost looks like a banana. That's what we call it in the trade, believe it or not. Last but not least, you got your best one right here, which is straight on all sides. So from sight, as you look down this corner, you want to be able to look down the other corner, and you'll notice there's no arch, there's no curve, there's no twist. This is your prime lumber right here. Twist it to one side and you're going to see the other side. Again, down the line, take a look. That's what you want. So that wraps up our segment on how to sight lumber. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy renovation.